Right, you for now, Quaban from Bradjum 100.7 at Tenasueno, and the powers for soon another day from Tajum Pow 100.7 within the space of 15 minutes now. Yaba Rambo stories Nina and sweating the man with Jaco, Jabba, the world of football. Now, Phoebe built to make medical cultural, send them in your queen number 20. Now, the Akudia Musam brought ya. Now, there's some boom to a catch or something of Bema. Now, said to Mutimaka with the Musam, and yes, sir, who bet me a quarter baby about Tinko Abreka with the Musam Sarvaya. Now, tell a kutre timon biano, let me come in, never be antimin koyi, and sent him from on the world of football. I just say Yasam Kutua. I'm an insomnia upon the potato the bar. I just say Yasam Kutua grab. I will feed them and some Johnson. Yaboponi just with Jazza Soroso. Now draft time and sweat him at Tosu come and sweat him the Master and confirm a Breton day at the original time to send him. Wapon Brano Gagras and Matrasim. Namin for the powers for Sunum and sweat him from the watchers and Yasam Kutua near Timothy in some the bar. Me bacho mami anything adena odofole nati and sweat me akasa Frank Nelson Mokolo ma panu sweat me timenu to akasa jase anya sam ketokram Honorable Kennedy can come papa no sweat me akasa so and Yaya Muhammad on sweat me akasa mu semina and sweat me that down in the space of 15 minutes now for so with Diakosina in the world of football jase anya sam ket of course we dey know undiluted kwabiaza ubati me friend me team Juki wachimacho so na bibia time akwe kama and sweat me the more just and ya asem ketokra polycaptibu sam in chana nimre na se bibia tim ko yim and sweat me from one tempaswala ya wura me yan chance ye ne fan sam ne fan bra de me pacha chance ye and the freedom normalization committee for na so ye me pacha maami na ne tin ade na odofole nati me pacha maami na de sama betu job or say free day one and them ya point to mo say ne amomma normalize Ghana football wa bra ne number 12 ne ba ye bisi basano on normalize football na bibia tim ko ye no from day one ya de juma de ne show mon sanam a man for timi a criticize mo pop so mo juma mu nim ye adene de juma ne de mo there's a man for criticize am no enya asem ketua na now the fullest me kan chem brain enya brain for say enya criticism no ana mo timi hwe na mo no am de to mochi ama mu bu juma na nei ye timi na Ghana Football Association president na football no aba be jina na so brand na bibia en so timi akoye ntin sama na odofole nati en so timi de tu enem.
From day one, there were people who never gave us a dog's chance. And it was relentless. I mean, let's not pretend. We're all in this town. It was relentless. I don't know why. I don't know where it was coming from. I don't know what purpose and who they were trying to please or who had asked them to do that. And for me, it's made life easy for me because I took the view and look, whatever you do, there was no pleasing to just get on with it. Just do what you have to do. And I think that worked. Because I know that even if I turn a man into a woman, still will not be impressed. If I walked on water, they still will not be impressed. But Jesus did it 2,000 years ago.
Okay, I know I am now odofole nati say ne je don be bia no nim say enye obi bia fesa so no te dia focus on ba juma na bibia enso timi akoe dia mo no agese enye asem ketokra say sama na odofole enso timi ba tu da me patch ka members no one normalization committee no a ametimi normalize Ghana football bibia enso timi koe na abruwe yi puma kwa me say timi aka ya Ghana Football Association president bibia timi koe kama agese enye asem ketwa yantin tom ne gungo piemo the copium our Frank Nicholas Adona Fan Mokolo me pacho papa ni a board member Adema Accra House of Folk no phobia never say die until the bones are fully rotten and that papa tim dapa or your former ESCO member just said anya asem ketokra me pacho papa na ba to job say na the clubs ni na timi agree say na the kwa bia so no tie first ni about 16 Premier League clubs our Premier League no number me say jom da ba me piemo our 18 Premier League clubs and the clubs in ultimate tomorrow amobaba 18 Premier League clubs no mom na sada no mobaba any dem a very big risk amotim na baba to judge asem enya asem ketokra or see na dia so called teams am from big clubs I just say enya asem ketwa no the most glamorous clubs I will no or say antwa sa 5 leagues and I say 18 Premier League no mobaba pono na motim switch here from 16 to 18 no and shebinu betimi fall into the relegation zone I dey no kasa or say nkani nimpo wa bra ni about 16 Premier League no mpo na clubs ni bi akasefo no ebitimi folia timi abetomu enso wo relegation zone na from timi afro no matimi akosoro na mbom dia afia ma agree say 18 Premier League ana mo ba bo no achi no ye wie league na nkro teams maku num ana betimi akro relegation dia kwa bia so dia the most 5 big clubs ni bi no ebi betimi be falling in the relegation zone mu ajase anya sankoto yente samam Frank Nas Mokolo and 22
Olympics in Pfizer, they are big teams. Now the situation is that for football people to say, look, let's overlook all this situation and admit this to 64 votes out of 120 in favor. Equally means that what I was telling you before, that people are yearning for football. Now let's get this movement promoted. Next season we'll demote 5. That's a dangerous agreement because who are the 5? We might find the big 5 dropping because we've seen situations where the big 5 sometimes struggle and maintain 14th position. It is a risk. But that's business, because I don't think you can be a very good businessman risk. So I think the clubs understood what it is, and all of them, like I said, is for the land of Ghana football. Let's move this, let's get our football, let's not be selfish. Let the football win. So I'm ready to take part of the risk. I'm going to part. If it involves me, so be it. So that's what I think the football fraternity has done. In as much as I see it as a big risk, but that's the only solution to resolve this issue, because are you going to begin to look at the regulations? Are you going to confront the new president with that situation, or the normalization of the committee will say that we couldn't finish this because of time bound? So I think that decision was the best decision, even though it's a big risk.
Even though it's a big risk, and so some of Papa the dear Frank Nas Mokolo, or only a board member, the Accra House of Folk, and Samson, a former ESCO member of the Ghana Football Association, also some Kakra, and 2 judges, and Yasem Ketua, and Yamia Dumam on the 7th of November 2019. That's next week. Me Pacho Betima got to a election, Yakwakoyi, the vice president of Mepacho Weno, among the executive council, ESCO members, and Ababa Tomuso, Benemu Bako, Abba. Vice President Adama Paponete Cat Edwin Simono Kraku as the Ghana Football Association President no one sweating up the vice na bibia timia koye na me pacho Frank Nas Mokolo the Ababa Tuga Sondo Tidi pass abatono omuntu do wotidi say never Paponete at the Ransford Abbey do not born Samrane as Randy Abbey on betima be the right choice up betima the Vice President Adama Cat Edwin Simono Kraku.
Look, I think I have somebody like and then there is the other people in the team that you need to look at and say, look, what do they have where they do? But for me, I think I've just mentioned 2 people, and maybe I might begin to look at that level if I'm given the opportunity. I think I will be able to mark Randy top. Randy can be able to help get if you are looking for somebody. And I don't want to choose for them, but that's my opinion. That's why I mentioned George, I mentioned Randy. Randy can start anytime.
Okay, I know I have Frank Nas Mokolo, and so instead of the right choice Randy Abbey, son of the Vice President, Adama Ghana Football Association of Bibia, and so Tina Koye, Yantin Tomango Pime, Mepacho Honorable Kennedy can come, Mepacho Papano IMP, Adama in Shesu constituency, Papanda Babatuja, saying they didn't Kotojogu form and said and Sayam, or Papa Panitin, at the Cat Adwisimona Kroku as the Ghana Football Association President, and Nadia on Panua Body, no Timim Copper sponsorship, and from Bamaguleg no so, and watch clubs and obviously the national team no sponsorship in Timim Cups and a year, Bibia Betina Kama, Adamo Wina, and watching Tempos to Tubrika, or man and number to Chongo Piamo, our Apamuno Mukotanasi, no so no Mukotum, Commando Pamucho, Sunday Baya Bino, as what Tina catch out of GR Reforno, not just some sweating at the tax no so, or more reducing tax no, Nasa Bipia, and sweating a quay Sunday Baya, companies and I'm a patron, or more interest. Our Punima Legan man some interest for football. I'm so team up, no matter my sponsor team now, and as a sponsor leg no, na bibia so team koye, and so no matter more than some me pacho, honorable Kennedy can come in, and to cat Adwisimona Kroku bra, and so then quite to come at some honorable Kennedy can come and so to the two of them.
Certificate want to say, Uncle negotiate the percentage now a waiver on tax for companies when they sponsor. What is it by the financial laws of this country? Especially GRA reform. GRA say a sponsor a sports or GRA or tax relief via the man. I think say any higher enough. Says anyone the share sports one, a tax relief via the man, a be a from kaka. It means no commercial say GRA. Never could renegotiate for the percentage, you know, you didn't relieve or more tax. The moment amount for air companies don't say a very attractive, say a percentage in a cost panel. They will look for air sports. Seems to be some sports to invest in it. And at the moment, the biggest sponsorships are the various team panel, a sports on a so the category when the first now is I'm going to check the tax components. I'm going to check the tax components and I say, read no from what on tries a GRA for brief.
Okay, on try some my GRA fund so to reduce tax and all. Na BB team a queen of a companies are more interest in football so team about the sponsor league no and as a clubs and a national team city. Na BB team a quay and so team them a kind of footballer. I just say yes and Ketokra. Yentin Tomo club issues kakram. Near first some from Bramepacha Ya Muhammad or your former Santico player. Me bunch of some who can send Brentano. A Diana Stars player just them. And yes and Keto Brentano. Nanko Primo San Pedro from Ivory Coast. No kwa second and moment Diana Stars for omutimi kwatwe command and just and command CP ama Brenton so ntimi ankwa chasem anya sem keton bacho ya Mohammed ale sama bebe tuja say na de kodokofo omo chances of qualifying wa abura makwa piemo our Abidjan La Côte d'Ivoire Ivory Coast our go second in the second leg no in the CAF Confederations Cup no na just anya sem keton playoff ni no omo kwa piemo no ma omo chances of qualification no me pacho very slim intina ya Mohammed sem kancha players ni say na this is the time as a place no I'm fight hard I'm kokotin send the be ya that don't come bianom yeah trust and take on history book twam kona din and so wetima be piam na bibia and so timia kwaye adama krobia sante kono kometama ye den sama ya Mohammed and so timia do players no
chances near very small because on paper no can say the for na be wa hard you know dan de ma say home grounds in the confederation kotoko be but they have to be Amunyasa character Tottenham Hotspurs any Ayas last season. We shall Tottenham Hotspurs lose home or draw, but Omoko Ayas with no behind Ayas there. Yeah, show by surprise, you know. Tottenham may you know, but a character. They should forget about the intimidation, you know, everybody. All there is intimidation never started before the game, you know. So into players in the game, you have to tell yourself, say, I have to die a little for the crowd. So what you do on Sunday, this game, you know, your name will be the history book forever and ever. So
okay, your name will be in the history book forever and ever. And also some me patcha branch today adi ya Mohammed and so tim na be to just say tinya bia ye tim so na me tie fam with adwempam 100.7 wa mananso ha and no chi ya Mohammed be to ja say na dia watete say Krobia Sante Koroko ukuma apemba ba the Porcupine Warriors just say nyasem kitokura and the fans na some supporters no and they dia watete say na o matima ko high bosses and na nyame ya duma kwesiada omina batime gumcho no matima go piemo our Côte d'Ivoire no makwakota ko team na chi wa abura mobo San Pedro in the second league encounter no our CAF Confederations Cup playoff no wa abura na San Pedro ba kuma say abaje wan la pio ade shomo no return leg no so e baso amepacho ya Mohammed ada ba betuja say na de companya enka ko supporters so no moda omuntwan mama bu bia nko sisi yi mama bia nko mu jana place mo mu nko no mo mbura na mo supporters ne kwa e bibia enso wetimi esi ho no
fans ne de me catch on me say o she Ghanaian she survive no different from francophone countries, you know. So to save the situation in my advice to the fans is say nobody should go because with your francophone countries now it's easier for them. It's like more or less like Arabs, excuse me to say, because you do something wrong. Maybe out there and as only place but on any day, maybe an amoja quede, aqua pushiko, into fans, never young fans in a day, and can only save the situation, because the moment a fans with the probably and the signal big brand or phone, you know, so I get in here. and the signal didn't break off for say, then you guys are prepared to face us. They should leave everything to the players. They cannot touch any player there. And so it's a calf, they never come at you.
Okay, you know, just said they should leave everything to the players. And on the calf, no, or many back players in FIFA. And so the back side game, no one just said, and yes, some control some of the Johnson. Yet the best in your quality and Mepacho, a papanity, adequate Sapia, Mebachon, Babonte, or the 23 Black Star, squad, Amuko, Afghan qualifiers, no, and so Timmy Batches, and yes, some Katokra. I'm so Timmy Friday Batches, and Yagro, Mepacho, Rema, goalkeepers, no, Richard Ofori, Felix, and Razaka below, the first time after our Black Star senior team, and yes, some Katwab, and not defenders in the Andy Yadom, a better team Bemubi, who could pay my Harrison for Soho, Lumo Agbanyonu, Savna Brenton, the Eric Joseph Edo, Kasim Nuhu, Nicolas Opoku, Muhammad Salisu, Omina, defenders, Mepachomo team from some member of Ghana national team, the senior side of Bibian Koji, midfielders, no Senate, Samuel Owusu, as well as Thomas Taipate, Alfred Duncan, Mubarak Wakasu, Idrisu Baba, Christopher Ajay Entry, and also the team of Piemo, who Piamuso forward in Andre Rami Morgan, the Diayu, a better team of Piamubi, and which a better day Adam Muhammad Kodos, and also the Wom, Emmanuel Boating Basasuro, and which Jordan, you dear Piemo, Savna Brenton did the Torek Jabber, a better the Wom, Sasuna Safio Mumini of Ashantigo, a Brentano, and so Tima Johnny Quesia Piano, near 23 man squad, Otima Bontia, Wakopo, South Africa, Yamia Duma November, Remino, and only Afghan qualifiers in Timpacho way, and the lineup also Tim Davanas and the provincial man squad, or the Quacosia Canas and BPR, and so Tim Dakoyachas, and Yasam could Sanam de Cacachono, Ketawasi, and Yachin do the young run to Kakrabi, and yet Tim Dabachas, and Yasam Katomana, Kajua, Ahonma, and Yasam could try to somebody near Tima Soros not draft time, and so Tima Trosso at the moment. Once again, a undiluted Kobiaza, Rubatima from the team, Juki Watime, Maflax support for another. Good evening, and confirm what Michao, Sasuna Christ, Asol, who's good evening, and confirm Maumeko, not draft time, and so Etimia Trosso at the moment. Good evening.
At Pimpa FM, we give you more. Drive time, drive time, drive time, drive time, drive time.